Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Benchmade Autocrat. Now this is a somewhat new OTF from Benchmade, which is similar to the popular Infidel series. The main difference being the firing button is here on the side, and the handle scales are actually made from a milled composite G10 instead of the aluminum. Now it does still have the aluminum frame for added strength, but all of the hardware is covered in this blue sapphire titanium coating, which looks really good with the black G10. Now, the pocket clip is deep carry and it is tipped down. It is reversible for righties or lefties, which this knife actually carries quite well in the pocket, considering it's a lot lighter than the Infidel. Now, the action on this guy is really smooth, and I haven't experienced any misfires yet. I have fired this thing several hundred times, and it is good as new, to be honest. Now, the double-edged dagger-style blade is actually made from CPM S30V. It has a bead-blasted finish, which is going to be probably the best finish you can get for something like this. You know, if you're going to be stabbing it into cardboard boxes and just, testing it out, you're going to want something that's not going to rub off real easily. Now, the overall length on this guy is 8.75 inches. The blade is 3.625. The cutting edge is 7.625 with a width of 0.75. Now, the thickness of the blade is 0.10, so it's nice and thin, and it's going to give it a little bit extra piercing power, especially with the double edge. Now, the handle is 5.04 inches. The width is 1.125. The thickness is 0.60, and let's get an accurate weight on this bad boy. 3.9 even, which is an excellent weight, especially for something this size. I mean, if you've ever held an Infidel in your hand, you'll know it's pretty much a big knife. Now, this guy right here, it doesn't weigh half of what it looks. Let's see, compared to the Microtech UTX 85, you can see it's right around 1.5 inches bigger than the UTX 85. Compared to the Benchmade Anthem that Lefty EDC let me borrow for a video, that's right around 1 inch larger than the Anthem. And I'll tell you what, we'll throw two more in here real quick. Compared to the Kershaw Launch 13, right around 1 inch larger than the Launch 13. And the Protec TR3 Operator, right around 1 inch larger than the Operator. Anyway, Benchmade definitely knows how to make a good OTF, but to be honest, the thing is, I'm not really an OTF guy anymore. I used to like Microtechs and stuff like that, but I'm more of a side opening folder kind of guy. But that does not make this any less of a knife. This thing is awesome, and Benchmade definitely still one of my favorite companies to this day. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.